Hi guys, I hope you're having a splendid day out there. The following content is taken from my latest stream over on Twitch. You can catch me live every Wednesday at 1 PM CET and every Sunday 7 PM CET on twitch.com/Nackagubben. See you there. Swedish Word of the Week. Alright guys, welcome to Swedish Word of the Week, the next segment in this little stream. And for you guys who just joined in, we've had a little bit of a run with the Swedish news called Nackagubben. And if you're interested in joining on this the next time, we're doing this every Sunday. So be sure to tune in next Sunday if you've missed anything. Or I think these streams will be listed in the channel. And for you guys who don't know this segment is where I talk about a Swedish word that I enjoy, find interesting. And last week we talked about a word called dryg, which was a word that I actually had mentioned before. But this week we're gonna talk about a word that I haven't mentioned before, and that is ta-da! I don't know how many of you can pronounce this. See if you can pronounce it before I pronounce it. I know you can't pronounce it like in chat, but oh, I can type it. This word is called Nyckelpiga. So it's actually consisting of two words. No, I want to be above the freaking text. There we go. So the first word in this word is nyckel. For you who know Swedish, nyckel means key. You know, the key that you put in your door. And the second word, I can't cover that. But the second part of the word is piga, and that means maid. Basically, this word literally means key maid. But that's not what it means. Nyckelpiga means ladybug. I don't know if a lot of Swedes know why it's called ladybug. Sorry, why it's called Nyckelpiga or key maid. Back in the days, a key maiden or key maid was a person or a girl or a maid most of the times who had the responsibility of keeping on a mansion or a farm or whatever it is to handle the keys for the housewife. Basically, there was a maid who had the very responsible. It was a good, it was a high status sort of job to keep the keys for the whole mansion. The highest rank of maids ever at that time, we're just talking religious sort of thing, was of course Virgin Mary, and she was the highest, she wasn't the maid, sorry, she was a housewife. And according to beliefs, she was who was ruling over the keys to the heavens, or the gates of heavens. The problem here is how is this linked to the ladybug at all? It's a bit of a, far-fetched sort of thing. So Virgin Mary was connected to the 7 virtues, as you all know, or may not know. I didn't know about this. I'm not that religiously informed. And as you all know, the ladybug has 7 dots on its shell. I don't know if it's called a shell. Lady Mary, 7 virtues, 7 dots on a ladybug. Key made into the... Makes sense.